Today's house we love is in the north of Sardinia, in the spa town of Santa Maria Coghinas. It's just 10 to 15 kilometers from several of the most lovely, sandy beaches along the island's north shore. This two-bedroom home has been tastefully decorated in gentle, neutral colors, which give it a fresh, clean feel. The house comes furnished as shown in the photos and is on the market for €125,000. Along with a veranda and a private garden, this two-bedroom home also has 2 balconies on the upper level, air conditioning and a communal swimming pool. The nearest airports of Alghero or Olbia are both only about an hour away. So, it could make a wonderful second home, holiday home, or a convenient weekend escape from Northern Europe in the colder months. More details about this property can be found in the video notes below or on our website, liveyourdreamitaly.com.